Hi guys, good morning. Today we will cook again sitaw with rice. Same thing, we will give away this food, and right now it's already 5:31 here in Philippines, and I just wake up early so I can prepare this rice. I need to prepare this cook this rice and do something else like cut this sitaw and peel onions and garlic. But I think this sitaw or string beans is not enough. I think I need to buy more. So first I need to cook the rice. I'm gonna put it in the stove. Then later on I will just quickly go to my bike and just go to the market. So let's just get my rice. There's no bone holder though. It's here. Wash it. There's a lot of rice. Actually, this is just the first batch since we're planning to cook around 100 pieces today. This is uh this is just 4 kilos. That means that we can only make around 50 packs of food here. There's a lot of water. Let's just wash it. The reason why we need to cook it by 2 batches because this caldero, we call it caldero or pot. It's kind of small for 8 kilos or maybe 10 kilos of rice, so we just need to cook it batch by batch. After one wash, you need to wash it again. Maybe two times of washing, then put water and cook it. Okay, water again. You need to measure how much rice is it. I'm not sure it's around here. The rice is around here, this part. So if we measure the water, it should be the same. It's Filipino thing. Alright, yeah, it's already the same. Let's just put it in the stove. It's very hard if you're just alone. Actually, someone is helping me, but they're still sleeping. I don't want to wake them up. I can do it. Just need to cook the rice and buy something. Okay, and open the stove and put something here. I can go outside while it's cooking since I think it will cook after 20 minutes or maybe 30 minutes because it's a lot. Maybe less than that. I'm not sure. I never measure it. So let's just prepare ourselves to go outside for market because this vegetable is not enough. We also need to buy chicken for just for making it smooth or like stir fry. So I just need to change my clothes. Bye.
Put some pepper, ground pepper.
Okay, we already done cooking rice. It's a big pot. This 50 pieces and 100. Overall, it's 150 pieces of rice, but there's still rice. And still cooking the ulam. It's string beans with chicken.
Ginisang green beans.
It's ginisang like
Like ulam.
And here's our very beautiful cook. Hello. And this is our volunteer, my cousin. Oh, we still have here's another string beans and lots of rice. And Darwin and Adeng is just preparing all the bags for mission. Actually, they just break it. That's why they need to fix it. There's a one volunteer. It's new. So we're already done. It's already 3:46 and we're already going. My goodness. Here's our very beautiful cook. And meron po kaming ampon. Ay, papaampon pa lang pala.
Iiwan pa lang sa ubaw.
There, we'll bring this and this. Overall, we have 170 pieces. They will ride bike. And we will ride bus. But we need to ride tricycle first before we're gonna go. Nasa yung phone holder na sa'yo? Yung mahaba. Paano nga?
Manager ka nga namin, te.
Oo nga, te. Mukha ka manager.
Wala, may sunog na.
Tabi dyan. Alam mo, special bike.